Today we are going to talk about antibiotics. In one line we can say antibiotics are drugs used to treat bacterial infection. Antibiotics either kill bacteria, that is known as bactericidal, or stop them from reproducing or inhibit the growth, that is known as bacteriostatic. Here is the name of some antibiotic that is having bactericidal in nature. That is aminoglycosides include the following: tobramycin, gentamicin, amikacin. Beta-lactams include the following: penicillin, cephalosporin, carbapenems. Penicillins like amoxicillins, cephalosporin like cefazolin, carbapenem like meropenem, fluoroquinolones like ciprofloxacin, levofloxacin, moxifloxacin, glycopeptides like vancomycin, lipoglycopeptides like daptomycin, nitroimidazoles like metronidazole, polypeptides like bacitracin, colistin, and polymyxin B. Here is some of the antibiotic having bacteriostatic in nature, that is as follows: tetracycline include the following, that is doxycycline, eravacycline, minocycline, omadacycline, tetracycline. Macrolides like azithromycin, clarithromycin, and erythromycins. Lincosamides like clindamycin. Trimethoprim sulfamethoxazole, that is trimethoprim belongs to the group of diaminopyrimidines, and sulfamethoxazole belongs to the class sulfonamides. Then oxazolidinone, that is linezolid and tedizolid. Chloramphenicol belongs to the class of antimicrobial. Let's know about various ways of mechanism of action of various antibiotics. Some of the antibiotics inhibit the cell wall synthesis, and some of them inhibit the protein synthesis, and some of the antibiotics inhibit DNA synthesis, and some of them inhibit the folic acid synthesis, and some of them disrupting the cell membrane. Here is some of the antibiotics name, those who inhibit the cell wall synthesis, like carbapenems include the following: doripenem, ertapenem, imipenem, meropenem. Cephalosporins include the following, that is cefadoxil, cefazolin, cefalexin, cefaclor, cefotitan, cefrozil, cefuroxim, cefdinir, cefditoren, cefixim, cefotaxim, cefoperazone, cefodoxim, ceftazidime, ceftibuten, ceftriaxone, cefepime, ceftarolin, ceftobiprole, cefiderocol, and ceftologen. Then glycopeptides and lipoglycopeptides include the following, that is dalbavancin, oritabencin, teicoplanin, telbencin, and vancomycin. Then monobactams like azithromycin, penicillins like amoxicillin, ampicillin, carbanicillin, napcillin, penicillin G, that is penicillin B, piperacillin, and ticarcillin. Then polypeptides like bacitracin, colistin, polymyxin B. Bacitracin works by preventing cell wall synthesis. Colistin and polymyxin B works by disrupting the cell membrane. Then here is some name of antibiotics, those who inhibit the protein synthesis, that is aminoglycosides like amikacin, gentamicin, kanamycin, neomycin, plasmocin, streptomycin, tobramycin. Then macrolides include the following, that is azithromycin, clarithromycin, erythromycin, fidaxomicin. Then oxazolidinone, that is linezolid and tedizolid. Streptogramins like quinupristin and dalfopristin. Then tetracycline group as follows: doxycycline, eravacycline, minocycline, omadacycline, and tetracycline. Lincosamides include as follows: lincomycin and clindamycin. Nitroimidazoles groups like metronidazole, that disrupting the DNA synthesis as well as inhibit the protein synthesis. Here is some of the antibiotic name. Those inhibit DNA synthesis as follows. That is fluoroquinolone group include the following: ciprofloxacin, dalfloxacin, gemifloxacin, levofloxacin, moxifloxacin, norfloxacin and ofloxacin. Rifamycins include the following: that is rifabutin, rifampin, rifapentin and rifaximin. Then nitramidazole groups, that is once again disrupting the DNA synthesis as well as inhibit the protein synthesis. Then here is some antibiotic name. Those who inhibit the folic acid synthesis, that is as follows. That is sulfonamides include the following: that is mefenide, sulfacetamide, sulfadiazine, sulfadoxin, sulfamethiazine, that is sulfamethiazole, that is sulfamethoxazole, sulfanilamide, sulfasalazine, then sulfasoxazole. Here is brief about antibiotic and its mechanism of actions and name of various antibiotics. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.